trying Mediterranean food here at Cefali. Let's go inside. This is how Carinderia Cefali looks like. There's outdoor seating and there's indoor seating. Let's order now. We've been wanting to go to this Mediterranean restaurant in the university for a long time. Let's check it out. We are at Carinderia Cefali. These are their best sellers. This is the menu at Cefali. They have beef Mediterranean food. They have chicken choices. Other Mediterranean food, shish, hummus, sharbat, baba ganoush, hummus and bread. There's also snacks. There's quesadilla, pizza, sandwich, more quesadilla and rice toppings. Prices are very affordable, especially for students. They also have burgers and wraps, big meals, butter chicken, bangus, tapa, and the lacard sisig. And they say gazebo. Falafel, fries, kebab, shawarma, and fish fillet. What will we get? What did we order at Cefali? We had the beef shawarma rice with bread and hummus, and chicken shawarma wrap with fries, and cucumber lemonade. One order still missing, but we're hungry. Let's eat.